How to deposit checks in Cash App. In this video, I will show you how to deposit checks in Cash App. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see all these different options here. From there, proceed and go to the menu at the bottom of the screen. The menu has several different options. From them, tap on this one here with the bank icon. You will land on this page here where you will see sections that are related to the bank services on the app. After that, scroll down. Come to this section here named More Ways to Add Money. Under the section, there are several other options. From them, tap this one named Deposit Check. After that, proceed and follow the steps. The app will guide you. It is that easy. If this option is missing on your account, then don't worry, I will show you how you can get it. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you will land on the profile section of the page here. Once you are here, scroll down to the account and settings page. Under the page, there are several options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of your account. From them, the one we need is this one here named Support. Make sure you tap on it. Please wait for the page to finish loading. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. This is the support of your account where there are options that you can use to get help. Next, scroll down. Keep on scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the page where you will see all these different options. From them, proceed to this one named Contact Us. Under it, there is another option named Chat. Tap on it. Finally, this chat box will appear where you have to type a message asking the support team to help fix the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly. You can also copy what I have typed by writing, "Hi dear support team, the deposit check feature is missing on my account. Kindly fix this issue for me." After that, send the message and they will respond to you with a solution. Give them time. I hope this video has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is how to deposit checks in Cash App.